Alright, 7th graders, today we're talking about dividing fractions, and I first wanted to show you a model of what dividing fractions looks like, because it seems kind of backwards to get a bigger number when you're dividing. So, the model below shows 2 units divided into thirds, or 2 divided by 1/3. So, this is demonstrating 2 divided by 1/3. If we have 2 wholes, which here's 1 whole, here's 2 wholes. If we have 2 wholes and we divide them into thirds, how many pieces do we have? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many thirds are in 2 units? 6. 2 divided by 1/3 would be 6. Draw a model to show 3 divided by 1/2. So now we have 3 wholes and we're going to divide them in half. So how many pieces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 divided by half is 6. Alright, so we can see that dividing 8 by 2 gives us the same result as multiplying 8 by the reciprocal of 2, or 1/2. So, what I want you to see is that 8 divided by 2, you know already, is 4. But 8 times 1/2 gives us 8 over 1 times 1 over 2 is 8 over 2, which is 4. Alright, so how do we divide fractions? We multiply by the reciprocal. So you can see up here that the reciprocal of 2 was 1/2. Reciprocal just tells us that any number that we have, like the reciprocal of 3 is going to be 1 over 3. The reciprocal of 2/5 is going to be 5 over 2. It's just flipping them upside down, because this is actually 3 over 1, so if we flip it, reciprocal is just the fraction flipped upside down, which is where the process comes from of keep, change, flip. We're really, dividing is always just multiplying by the reciprocal. We shorten that to a catchy phrase that we can remember easily, and we just say keep, change, flip. So, 3/4 divided by 1/2 would really be 3/4 times 2 over 1. We get 6 over 4, which would be 1 and 2/4, which is 1 and 1/2. And 2/3 divided by 4/9 would be 2/3 times 9/4. So we would get 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 4 is 12. 1/12 can come out of 18, and I get 6 out of 12 left over. So we again have 1 and 1/2. And how do I divide mixed numbers? Extremely similarly to fractions. and multiplying mixed numbers, we have to rename the mixed number as an improper fraction. And then we simply multiply by the reciprocal. So on this first one, we have 3 3/8 divided by 2 1/4. So 8 times 3 is 24, 25, 26, 27 eighths. Divided by 4 times 2 is 8 9/4. If you try to do both of these steps in one, you will probably make a mistake. You will forget to flip my second fraction. So I would change it first, then multiply by the reciprocal so that I don't forget anything. Also, at this stage, we can cross-reduce if you'd like. 4 and 8 can be divided by 4, so that'd be 2 and 1. 9 and 27 can be divided by 9, which is 1 and 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2. So I get 1 and 1/2. Lots of 1 and 1/2 answers. Alright, let's try one more together, and then I'm going to let you try the last 6 for homework. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19 sixths. Divided by 9 times 2 is 18, 19 ninths. So I have 19 sixths. Keep, change to multiplication, flip to 9 19ths. 19 and 19 cross out to 1 and 1. 9 and 6 can both be divided by 3. I'd get 2 and 3. So my answer is 3 halves, which again is 1 and 1/2. I don't know how I got all those 1 and 1/2 for answers. Alright, there are 6 more problems for you to do on your homework sheet. Do those for tomorrow, and we will practice dividing fractions in class tomorrow as well. Have a great night.